for a wee wander around Glenariff Forest Park. This is where all the waterfalls are. We've saw a couple already, very small ones, so we're starting to go downhill. This is a trail I haven't been on before. I've came around the other way, past Lara Lodge and into the waterfalls that way, but today we came the other way, up higher. So we're just starting to drop down now. So fingers crossed we'll see some nice ones. I'm not sure yet. We haven't took any pictures yet at all, but we're just sort of exploring a new place in the autumn. It's lovely. We'll talk to you in a few minutes. I'm just walking along. We can hear the water down into our left. I'm trying to figure a way to get down in closer to the river to have a wee look and see. So if we see anything nice, we'll give you a wee shout back and we'll keep you posted. Down in here, a wee waterfall. It's actually a series of waterfalls. I'll let you have a wee look. It's a series of waterfalls. They're all sort of stacked up, layered up behind each other. I'm trying to take a wee bit of the river as well, because with a longer exposure, the white bubbles are coming down through and leave wee tiny white streaks. I've shot this a few times already. I had to climb across the water there. It was a bit dodgy. But I've shot it a few times already, so if I've got anything sort of half decent off it at all, I'll flash it up the screen now and let you see, and we'll move on to explore a wee bit further. Pretty cool area, hard to get to. But we'll just walk on down the river because it's fairly low at the minute and see what else we can spot. Talk to you soon. We're at exactly the same spot. We're actually just turned around. Over my shoulder there's the waterfalls I was shooting just a few seconds ago. And if I spin you around, we're just shooting in the other direction. It's actually pretty cool because it's fairly autumny. And you have lots of wee interest with the river running through here. Wee bit of water falling over there, and then the rest of the river and the real reds of the leaves that fell off the tree in the background. This is going to make for a great photograph. I think this will be one worth printing. Right, that one turned out great. We're going to go for a bit of a walk on down the river here now and see what else we can see on the way. We were here for autumn colour. We didn't really intend to come to the water as such, but we're here anyway. This is my B-roll man in the background. He's the camera holder, bag carrier. Hand me this man. So that was a wee quick Glenariff. There's lots of people here, so I'm scared of vlogging. I'm very nervous. But we'll flash up the pictures on the screen, and I hope you had a bit of an informative time watching. Cheers. Forgot. Like, subscribe, comment, do all them sorts of things. And we'll talk to you again in the next video. Cheers. Bye. If in doubt, shoot a pano. I think it's going to be a lovely scene. I've tried to pick out wee bits of it with the long lens, but I'm just going to take it on a clean sweep and be done with it. The light never materialised over my shoulder there, shining down onto the scene, but see, just checking that car wasn't in the scene. It's still, the colours are still fantastic. So we're going to call it a day here now, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers, thanks for watching.